pala namin yan. So, sumasayaw ako. This was Muppet time when I was recording this, and this is free time because they were continuing what we haven't finished on Monday because we were doing our knees for our practical. Our teacher allowed us to do anything as long as we don't make noises. Next sabi nga po pala niya ng HTP dahil po mayroon kami orientation ng 12:30 ay pinakain na po kami ng advisor namin. Johan! 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 Nakita ko nga rin to ang friend kong altar server. Ito nga po yung time na uwian na po namin. Kaya nag-take na kami ng picture as section. Oops, huli ka, pero di ka ko lang. Ship namin siya, to si Puro. Ay, well na yan. Ayoko nga